how are you feeling at this moment? Say to our viewers.
I'm feeling a lot of good moment with Liakat's family, and our teacher Sabir sir is always deliver a good speech and give me a good lesson for IELTS. They serve a lot of basic things which things I have to know, such like writing, spelling, and so on.
So you have joined at Liakat's, today is the 3rd class, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how is your experience, 1 week experience of Liakat's English?
Okay, so in my intro last week, I see our subject teacher was very much experienced in IELTS coaching, and he took us a lot of good classes. And secondly, I want to mention you that he take a good lessons about IELTS, and he took all the necessary class what you need to know about the basic IELTS coaching.
And what about your class friends? They are helpful?
Yes, basically it is my 3rd class, so I can't manage any kinds of friends that are so much friendly for me, but there are a lot of people who can help me, because most of all, my good teacher is Sabir sir is so much friendly to me, because he can deliver a lot of things to know about IELTS test.
Rafi, what is the full meaning of IELTS?
The full meaning of IELTS is International English Language Testing System.
Okay, so why are you taking IELTS preparation course?
I'm taking IELTS preparation course to go to abroad. So that's why to go to abroad, I need to get a good mark in IELTS, and that's why I came here.
Okay, thank you very much.